Fans, welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you. My lovely fans, watch this video from the beginning to the end because this video is very complicated so that you will understand every details. Juju Ekwensu is going through a lot. Before they call Juju Ekwensu mama, no be say they just wake up one color. Now to save this her daughter when he don't frustrate in the name of she want to be called Mrs. Edoshe. Juju Ekwensu eyes don't say her back for you and you don't show Juju Ekwensu shege. You don't show Juju Ekwensu shege. Juju Ekwensu eyes don't see her back. Juju Ekwensu has been trusting on her family for them to do something to you. Say na him mama and his sister is a wine. Now that they waka for her. Now that they do the juju, they do the sham when they take the whole you for grand. So right now, Juju Ekwensu call them, tell them say the yo of now is not the yo of before. Say you don't change. This man is now controlling her instead of she controlling you. So now she can't tell them say, make them waka, make them do something for you. Make it return back to that man when she they used to dance for social media. Juju Ekwensu mama and sister, they go they send different things they can't give Juju Ekwensu. The sister go even go river, go they throw away things. He go send the video, go give Juju Ekwensu. But they say action speak louder than voice. It's not by throwing things in the river. Did mommy water pick the things so you throw for river? Did they accept the sacrifice? Maybe another one. No. Everybody can throw anything in the river. But the fact is, did they accept the sacrifice? Because Juju Ekwensu find out that all these things when they do, and she they send money, the small money where she get, where go still gather, may they send the pupu to school. She go use am take go dey do juju. Juju Ekwensu don't send money, send everything. You is even getting worst after all the chance. And Juju when her sister and her mother tell her say they do. Juju Ekwensu was confused and she was tired. This time around, she said no. It is time for her to waka for herself. All this while, she has been trusting on her family. But she found out that every day, you condition is getting worse. Because you very sooner, now conk, you go dey conquer it. Now she say, that will not happen. Before anything like that go happen, she need to take action. Na Juju Ekwensu romasi mami water. Na Juju Ekwensu romasi mami water. Carry her two-legged Benz. Abandon children for her daughter. Carry her two-legged Benz. Enter outside. Remember, Juju Ekwensu, she is not new in the game. Juju Ekwensu don dey waka native daughter since when she's small. Now she dey waka native daughter. Because Juju Ekwensu mama they carry they go different shrine that time. Now so Juju Ekwensu enter outside. She say only she need to go see what they happen. She has been calling them, but the more she call, the more you distance himself from her. Now Juju Ekwensu enter outside. Go the first native daughter. As Juju Ekwensu reach the first native daughter. Now the first native daughter tell am say, wait till you say you dey fine. He say she want her man back. Her life is not the same again. Everything is gone. She have lost everything. She is no longer the reigning woman. She is no longer that woman that all men want to be with. She have a charm that was placed. She have a charm inside her that makes men, that attracts men to her. Say, but now, say men, no they see her again. She said when she was little, her grandmother gave her a white egg to swallow. that white egg will attract men to her. She said, but now she know they attract men. She said the men where she tied down, the ones where she say make them love her, they no love her again. The ones where she say where they offend her, where she say make they sick, they wear. The ones where she tie, they lose. She says something is wrong. Something is wrong. She has been calling her family to do the needful, but it look like her family are tired. Now she say no. Even if the whole world is tired, she Juju Ekwensu, she cannot be tired of herself. She wants solution to what is happening to her. Why is her star no longer shining? Why is she no longer attracting men? Why? Now the native doctor tell her, say, sit down, my daughter. Solution you seek, solution you shall find. Native doctor begin doing incantations. As the native doctor did incantation finish, he looked Juju Ekwensu. He shake head. I tell Juju Ekwensu, say, Juju Ekwensu, you not get any option than to go and beg May Edochie. Go kneel down and you beg a woman that you snatched her husband. The native doctor say you snatched another woman's husband. You're living with that woman's husband. And that woman's husband has abandoned you. And you're here seeking for how to get his attention. Juju Ekwensu say yes. Now the native doctor tell and say, you will never get solution to your problem. Your problems will never be solved. The native doctor tell Juju Ekwensu say, this is just the beginning. He said very soon you will suffer. You will suffer, and after the suffering, he said Juju Ekwensu will buy. Now Juju Ekwensu say God forbid. Now the native doctor say God forbid what? Is it that you don't know? Wait it be God forbid. Your sister and mama where they work, where they work out for you. They not tell you say you go soon buy. They not tell you say your days are not bad. They not tell you say your days are not bad, Juju Ekwensu. Juju Ekwensu says she don't understand what is happening. That the native doctor should please explain in the language that she will understand. Now the native doctor tell Juju Ekwensu say, go and beg the woman. The woman you destroyed her home. The woman you snatched her husband. The woman you caused pains. The woman you caused tears. He said, go beg the woman. He said, because that woman do you something. That woman do you something. He said, that woman forgive you. You see that woman, when you snatch her husband, when you destroy her home, when you buy her son. He said, the woman forgive you. He said, forgiveness is the worst revenge. If you offend person, pray may that person not forgive you. As long as that person carry your word for mind, you are still saved. But the day the person lets go and forgive, it becomes the day of punishment for the other person. Hey! Hey, whoa! Hey! Now the native doctor tell Juju Ekwensu say, the woman you snatched her husband, she has forgiven you. She have let go. She don't even care about you. She know the reason you. That forgiveness when she forgive you, now they haunt you. Now the native doctor tell her say, there is nothing, absolutely nothing, no solution to your problem. The only one solution is for you to publicly, because you publicly scatter a marriage, you publicly humiliated her, you publicly mock her, you publicly destroyed her. The native daughter tell Juju Ekwensu. He said, now that same public, Juju Ekwensu go kneel down. The only thing she can do, she feel beg people, may they join her. May they beg May Edochie. Make May Edochie forgive her. She said, the native daughter say, if not. He said, Juju Ekwensu time is up. He said, Juju Ekwensu days are not bad. He said, look at you. He said, you will run kilometers and you will buy yourself. Not Juju Ekwensu. Not Juju Ekwensu say. Juju Ekwensu shock. The native doctor asked Juju Ekwensu, say, why should they shock for what she already know? He said, your days, he said, Juju Ekwensu days are not bad. He said, Juju Ekwensu go run kilometers. Then she go buy herself. He said, why are you shocked? He said, it is the thing. It is the arrow you threw to that woman that returned back to you. And it is time, it is due time for you to pay back. Juju Ekwensu open mouth. Now the native doctor asked Juju Ekwensu, did you not throw the arrow of madness to the woman you destroyed at home? Juju Ekwensu said yes. Now he tell Juju Ekwensu, he said the arrow you threw to her, physically, it was called depression. Spiritually, it was madness. Juju Ekwensu said yes. He said, and that same arrow indicates that after May Edochie, enemy don't fall into that depression. You know, say get stage. You can't enter stage 1, stage 2. You can't enter the most. You can't enter the worst stage of depression. Which May Edochie enemy go come do like the kilometers. Then only she will go drink water pepper. When you go drink, only she go buy. Now the native doctor tell Juju Ekwensu, was that not your plans? Juju Ekwensu say yes. He said, but the arrow that you people threw to that woman, it returned back to you. And it is payback time. He tell Juju Ekwensu, did the arrow, he tell Juju Ekwensu say, whether the arrow not return back to her. He tell Juju Ekwensu say, the arrow return back to her. Now Juju Ekwensu say no. He said the arrow not return back to her. He said if family, they tell her, say, they return back the arrow to the pit of hell. Now the native doctor say your family lie. The arrow was returned back to you. But they composed Juju Ekwensu. The native doctor tell her, say, that wish Juju Ekwensu wish me Edochie. Now she won't pay for so. That arrow, that pit, when she dig for me Edochie, say now she fall into by herself. Now Juju Ekwensu say her family never told her this. Now the native doctor tell her, say, your family can never tell you. Especially your sister and your mother. Because if they tell you the consequences of what you've put your hands, you will run out of that relationship. And they don't want you to live there. They are using you to brag that you're married to the Edochie family. And the money they gain from you makes them to close their mouth, makes them to cover the truth. The native doctor tell Juju Ekwensu say, make it go beg me Edochie. If Juju Ekwensu like, make it go all the native doctor in the world. Say the only solution is for her to beg me Edochie. Hey, my people, before I go into the cocoa of this matter, let me welcome you to my wonderful and amazing channel. This is Mero True Life Story. Don't forget to subscribe. And thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you. And to all my wonderful and amazing subscribers, may God Almighty never bless you all. Amen. So, Ekwensu Erumasi Mami Water. Body composer. She can't weak. Now the native doctor tell Juju Ekwensu, say me she go beg me Edochie. That is the only solution to her problem. Juju Ekwensu leave that native doctor place. He said na lie. This native doctor, they see the past. She wants somebody to see the future. She wants somebody that can see the future. Somebody that will tell her what will happen in the future. She wants somebody that can see the future. All this on her past tense. Now what is she don't do pass? Her family don't settle her. She cannot go crazy now. She not fit go kilometers. She not fit buy now. Juju Ekwe Isu konde. Juju Ekwe Isu come up for there. She go another native doctor again. 3 native doctor places now she go. The same thing and they tell her. They tell her and say, the arrow where you throw go give me a doshe. When you return back, go soon buy you. And that one you supposed to the think. You is not your problem right now. Throw away you for corner. You is not your problem. The way you tie you, and so another person does the tie. That man a different altar and they tie him. He said, Juju Ekwe Isu let you be. Fight for yourself. Because very soon you go buy. You go. That arrow where you throw, go give me a doshe. Go soon buy you. 3 native doctor where she go. The same thing they told her. The arrow of depression where you throw, go give me a doshe. When me a doshe come outside, tell us, say, depression is real. She is depressed. Me a doshe go church. They pray for me a doshe. Me a doshe go check up again. They say depression don't disappear. Even doctor shock. Even doctor, they shock. But today, that arrow of depression when they give me a doshe, return back to Ekwe Isu Mami water. And that thing is spiritual sickness. But physically, it appears like depression, but it was madness, spiritual madness. Now, the thing don't extend for Juju Ekwe Isu to the extent now for her to buy herself. Because that is what they wanted me Edoshe to do, so that she will come off for road. But the thing don't return back. The native doctor, they tell Juju Ekwe Isu, say me she go beg me Edoshe. That is the only solution. Now Juju Ekwe Isu, after 3 native doctor, she know that the matter not true. Her family, even our own family, they betrayed her. They told her that nothing is happening. Whereas Juju Ekwe Isu's life was in danger. Whereas Juju Ekwe Isu's life was in danger. Hey, my people, one dash shall never end. Now Juju Ekwe Isu is looking for content. Now Juju Ekwe Isu is looking for how to get me Edoshe. Instead of her to do the public apology, they say make she gather, make she fair beg people, make they join her. Then she and those people will join her together to beg me Edoshe. It's not that Juju Ekwe Isu is going to beg me Edoshe. The beg way won't beg spiritually. Now the things where they protect me Edoshe, the angels surrounding her. Now she won't beg. Now she won't beg. So that God will have mercy on her. It is not all about me Edoshe. Physically, she have to apologize to me Edoshe. But spiritually, that apologize will go to the angels and every being, living and not living being, that is protecting me Edoshe. That apology will now go to the ears of God if the whole thing protecting me Edoshe accepts the apology. You see why they say the spiritual control the physical. The spiritual things work differently the way it works in the physical. Now Juju Ekwe Isu live there. Shame not go let Juju Ekwe Isu beg publicly. How will she tell her fans that the so-called May Edoshe, when she don't drag, say all kind of bad things about her, she is now begging publicly to the sober. So she decided to go in a secret way to beg me Edoshe, looking for contacts on how to get me Edoshe. May she apologize. One dash shall never end. When they see Juju Ekwe Isu, and they don't already tell us in a public apology, She won't go do backyard apology. People wey she dey call, they ask about me Edochie. The way they say they damn Juju Ekwensu. Till Juju Ekwensu buy, she can never get a contact of me Edochie. People that she trusted, that she feel, they will give her the number. Now, those one, they tell her, say, Juju Ekwensu, face your front. Let that woman be. Just leave that woman alone. Face your front. The whole native daughter say they not fit do anything for her. They not fit touch anything for her until she go and beg me Edochie. And if she not beg, her condition will be more critical because her days are not bad. Ewo, ewo, ewo. My lovely fans, leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up. God bless you.